Is meme coin Minu going to be the next Shiba Inu? That's exactly what the community is saying as this bullish new project is taking things by storm. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Minu token, which has been very popular, a fan favorite cryptocurrency in the past couple of weeks since listing. We see currently on the trending tab trending at number 3, up 5% on the day. It is down 26% on the week. However, it is up 150% on the month, where literally we can see in pretty much all of the trending tokens, guys, coins are dumping, down 20, down 27, down 5, down 23, but this token is pumping and it's doing something different. It's completely unique from the rest of the projects we've been covering on this channel because it hires miners to earn BNB. You heard that right. So Minu, what is Minu? Minu is the first mining dog coin on the Binance Smart Chain. With its own decentralized app, Minu is giving an 8% daily reward to its miners in the form of BNB. While Minu's native token is constantly increasing the TVL, total value locked, of its miners, with a 2% of every transaction, buy or sell, going to contracts of the miner. Only Minu holders have the ability to start mining, earning daily rewards, ready to start mining with Minu. So essentially it's a mining token that you could earn by simply owning some Minu. You can see you go to the start mining tab, brings you over to their website. Meet Minu, the most adventurous mining dog on the Binance Smart Chain, earn up to 8%, so passive income, and a total of almost 3,000% ROI. You can start your miners, there's the contract, and we can see you basically, in this case, it's called higher miners, but same way as if you were going to put it in a pool or in a farm, and your tokens are basically going out and making more money. Cool thing with this project is it also has a referral program, earn up to 12% of the BNB used to hire miners by anyone who starts mining using your link. So your whole referral program. I've seen a similar thing with Baked Beans last bull run, where like they had like a node protocol where you could bake the beans. In this case, you're mining BNB. The whole thing is all these are basically the same. It's just packaged in a different way. The cool thing about this project specifically is getting some mainstream attention, which is absolutely massive. Talking about meme coins with utility, guys, I want to highlight this project, Play Doge, which has been going absolutely crazy. They've raised $4.8 million in the span of less than 4 weeks. It's absolutely insane. And in 19 hours, they're gonna have their next price hike. So if you want to buy now at the absolute lowest price, now is your time to buy. What is Play Doge? The best play to earn Doge companion game. It's an ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings iconic Doge meme to the life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your Play Doge token pre-sale to earn crypto while playing an nostalgic 2D adventure game. A clean website that features a ton of different articles and blogs. Very clean website, a great roadmap in place, and solid tokenomics as well. This project is set to do some crazy things. Again, brand new project. Remember, it only launched like 4 weeks ago. Already have 5,000 followers, active community. They're engaging, they're posting content, which is everything you want to see in a meme coin. So you got a meme coin, you got a dog theme, and then you add utility to the mix, and you add a strong growing community, and you had $5 million raised in the first month. How high is this going to go? Dogeverse raised $15 million, and we're anticipating this one might also raise $15 million. So again, not financial advice, but if you want to load up, link in the description below. But back to Minu. They've grown to over 15,000 followers on Twitter or X, and we can see it posted 9 hours ago. Minu is now trending number 3 on CoinMarketCap, as we saw earlier. The big marketing push is starting, and we're about to smash our all-time high. Feel bullish, feel Minu, and that's the thing, guys. It is trending top 3, right? And it looks like they are going to have a marketing push, and it's down 26%. Meaning, if it does hit all-time high, this would be an optimal time to buy in. Again, not that this is financial advice, but things are starting to look bullish. And the whole thing in the crypto market, guys, is we need to find bullish opportunities, and we need to get into opportunities early. The reason why I highlight Play Doge and we highlight pre-sale jumps on this channel a lot is so the viewer can benefit. Again, if you buy into pre-sale early, or you buy into project early in that case, and it starts pumping and you sell, you make your profit. You don't make your profit when you buy. Sorry, you don't make your profit when you sell your coins. You make it when you buy. So you buy at the right time, you sell and make a profit. And that's exactly what we're hearing in the case of Minu, where it's down 26%. They're about to have a massive marketing push, and this could potentially cause it to break into some new all-time high areas, which is very, very bullish. And now you add to the fact where there's a referral program plus passive income opportunities. This is a no-brainer project, but again, none of this is financial advice, guys. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish for Minu, or are you bearish? Do you think there's a long-term longevity in this project? Do you think it will reach the heights of Shiba Inu? Because that's a very bold statement that community is making. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.